How vitamins and minerals function inside the body. For those aiming to achieve optimal health and vitality, understanding the intricate inner workings of vitamins and minerals is paramount. Hello, this is Jenny. I am welcoming you to the I Choose Young channel. Vitamins and minerals are essential micronutrients that are critical in numerous bodily functions, spanning energy production, immune support, and tissue repair. Although they may seem insignificant in quantity, their impact on our overall health and well-being is profound. Therefore, it's crucial to gain insight into how they function within your body and understand why maintaining their optimal levels is imperative. The basics of vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are distinct categories of micronutrients, with water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins, macrominerals and trace minerals, serving diverse functions in the body. When consumed, they undergo absorption and metabolism processes crucial for their utilization. The synergistic interactions of major vitamins and minerals play pivotal roles in various bodily functions. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that our bodies require in small amounts for various physiological processes. They are classified into two main categories: fat-soluble, A, D, E, and K, and water-soluble, B complex and C. Each vitamin has specific roles and functions within the body, such as Vitamin A supports vision, immune function, and growth. B complex vitamins facilitates energy production and red blood cell formation. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that aids collagen production and immune function. Vitamin D promotes calcium absorption and bone health. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cell membranes. Vitamin K regulates blood clotting and bone health. Minerals. Minerals are inorganic elements that are essential for various bodily processes. They can be classified as macrominerals, required in larger amounts, or trace minerals, needed in smaller quantities. Some crucial minerals and their functions include calcium, crucial for bone health, muscle function, and nerve transmission. Iron, necessary for red blood cell formation and oxygen transport. Magnesium, involved in energy production, muscle, and nerve function. Zinc, supports immune function, wound healing, and growth and development. Potassium, regulates fluid balance and muscle and nerve function. Sodium, maintains fluid balance and supports nerve function. Mechanisms of absorption and utilization. Vitamins and minerals are vital components of our diet, sourced from various foods such as fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, and meats, playing indispensable roles in our bodies. They enter our bodies when we consume plant-based or animal-based foods or take supplements. Once ingested, they traverse the digestive system from our stomach to our intestines. Absorption and allocation. In the gastrointestinal tract, they are absorbed and transported to different parts of the body. This complex process ensures the distribution of these nutrients to organs based on the body's priority system, supporting various physiological functions. This allocation system is crucial because different nutrients have varying roles and are required in different concentrations by various organs and tissues. The body prioritizes the distribution of nutrients to vital organs and functions first, sometimes even robbing Peter to pay Paul by taking nutrients from less crucial areas and allocating them to more critical ones. Utilization. Once absorbed, vitamins and minerals are transported throughout the body and utilized in various ways. Some act as enzyme cofactors or coenzymes, facilitating essential biochemical reactions, while others have antioxidant properties, protecting cells from oxidative damage. Many vitamins and minerals work in synergy, enhancing each other's effects and promoting better absorption and utilization. However, these nutrients often get used up in the process of performing their functions, particularly in the case of critical disease-fighting antioxidants. Your daily activities, including cognitive processes like thinking, as well as physical activities like exercise and exposure to stress, consume vitamins and minerals. Certain lifestyle factors, such as the use of diuretics, substances that increase urine discharge, like drugs, alcohol, coffee, tea, and sodas, can wash out vitamins and minerals from the body, creating deficiencies and potentially leading to major health problems. Additionally, tobacco and alcohol can inhibit the absorption of vitamins and minerals or accelerate their loss. This is why replenishing vitamins and minerals several times per day is crucial, as your health, intelligence, energy, and appearance are dependent on them. Deficiencies and excesses. Vitamins and minerals in your body should not be viewed as independent substances, but rather as a cooperative network of nutrients working together. If one nutrient is missing, it can throw the entire network of nutrients out of balance and impact overall health. Deficiencies in vitamins and minerals can lead to various health issues depending on the specific nutrient involved. For example, deficiency in vitamin C can result in scurvy. Iron deficiency can cause anemia. Mineral deficiencies, such as calcium or magnesium, can contribute to conditions like osteoporosis or muscle cramps. On the other hand, excessive intake of certain vitamins and minerals can also be harmful. While water-soluble vitamins are generally excreted in urine, fat-soluble vitamins and minerals can accumulate in the body, potentially leading to toxicity. This is why it's essential to maintain a balanced intake and avoid excessive supplementation. Given the intricate network of vitamins and minerals working together within our bodies, it's crucial to maintain adequate and appropriate levels of these essential nutrients. While a balanced and nutrient-dense diet is ideal, our modern lifestyles and the depletion of nutrients in food due to modern agricultural practices can make it challenging to meet our nutritional needs solely through dietary sources. Comprehensive health supplements. In today's fast-paced world, where nutrient deficiencies are prevalent due to dietary habits and lifestyle choices, comprehensive health supplements offer a convenient solution to bridge nutritional gaps. These supplements ensure the intake of a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, combined in appropriate proportions. By providing a synergistic network of these nutrients, comprehensive supplements can optimally support various bodily functions. Vitamins and minerals, essential micronutrients, play pivotal roles in a multitude of bodily functions, encompassing energy production, immune support, tissue repair, and growth. Sourced from plant and animal-based foods or supplements, these vital nutrients are absorbed and distributed throughout the body based on physiological priorities. Given that nutrients are depleted during their functional processes, daily replenishment is paramount. Functioning synergistically as an interconnected network, a deficiency in any one nutrient can disrupt overall health. Quality and well-balanced comprehensive health supplements present a convenient solution to fill nutritional gaps, delivering essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this channel to receive more updates on health and anti-aging. Bye for now, and see you again soon.